Intas presents Terifrac, a brand of teriparatide, which is recombinant human parathyroid hormone. Terifrac rebuilds bone and heals fracture. Terifrac Pen is a world-class Becton Dickinson self-injection system. Terifrac is the first brand of teriparatide available in Terifrac Pen and reusable pen device manufactured by BD, world leader in pen devices. Terifrac Pen is easy to use and comes with world's thinnest and shortest 31-gauge pen needle. Let's take you through step-by-step guide on how to use Terifrac Pen with Terifrac cartridge.
Hi Vicky.
Hello Reema aunty. Good morning.
Very good morning. How are you?
Fine.
Come on, step right in.
I brought the medicine which doctor has prescribed for you. I brought Terifrac Pen and cartridge.
Thank you, dear. But I am not quite sure how to use it.
Don't worry aunty. I'll give you step-by-step instructions for its usage. Now, you see, the Terifrac Pen has been designed keeping in mind all kinds of potential users and is extremely simple and easy to use. Before you begin, wash your hands and wipe the intended area of injection with antiseptic solution. Here is the Terifrac Pen injector. There are 4 essential parts of the Terifrac Pen injector: the cap, the dose dialer, the cartridge holder, and pen body. The first step is to load the Terifrac Pen injector. To do this, hold the Terifrac Pen injector with one hand and remove the Terifrac Pen injector cap by pulling with the other hand. Then rotate the cartridge holder from the pen body until it stops. Then pull apart to separate. Insert the cartridge metal cap first into the cartridge holder. If you are using 2 types of medication cartridges, you should use 2 different pen injectors. Do not switch semi-used cartridges in and out of the Terifrac Pen injector. Lower the pen body onto the cartridge holder. Then push and screw them together so one of the white arrows is aligned with the blue alignment mark on the pen body. Use only a new cartridge when loading the Terifrac Pen injector. Never load a partially filled cartridge. Remove the paper tab from the back of a new pen needle. The next step is to attach the pen needle holding the cartridge holder. Push the pen needle unit onto the Terifrac Pen injector. Then screw the threaded hub of the pen needle onto the cartridge holder. Gently pull and remove the outer pen needle shield and keep it aside for later use. You will need it to remove the pen needle from the Terifrac Pen after your injection is done. Before moving ahead, check the medication flow. To do so, first carefully remove the inner pen needle shield. Then hold the Terifrac Pen injector with the needle pointing up. Tap the cartridge holder gently with your fingertips to help air bubbles rise to the top of the cartridge. Small bubbles may remain and will not affect the dose. Now, you need to prime the device. To do so, set the dosage dialer to 2. Then press in the thumb button fully with the needle pointing upward. Notice if there are drops of medication coming out of the tip of the needle. If it has, the step is complete. If not, dial up 2 more units. Press the thumb button fully and check again. Continue to do so until you see medication appear at the tip of the pen needle. To set your dose, turn the dose dialer until the required dose number, which is 8, in the middle of the dose window aligned with the arrow. You will hear a click on each increment you dial. Do not attempt to count the clicks to measure the correct dose. Always confirm the required dose is aligned with the arrow. In case you turn the dose dialer past the required dose, example, if you wish to dial 8 and you have dialed 10 by mistake, do not dial backwards. Instead, turn the dose dialer until it is fully extended. The thumb button can now be fully pressed, resetting the dial to 0. Without dispensing medication, dial the correct dose and proceed. Once the correct dose is set, the TerryFrag pen injector is ready for injection. Wipe the skin in the area to be injected with an antiseptic solution. And wait for it to dry. Then place the pen 90 degree, perpendicular to skin. After the pen needle insertion, push the thumb button as far as it will go and hold the thumb button as far as it will go and hold it down firmly. You will hear a clicking sound while dispensing your dose. Keep your thumb button pressed for a few seconds before removing the pen. This prevents flow back and dripping.
Oh, it's a virtually painless.
If the thumb button stops before the end of its travel and the dose window does not read 0, the cartridge is empty and the full dose has not been disposed. Check the dose window to see the amount of medication still required. Note down that number. Now, reset the dose dialer to 0 by holding the TerryFrag pen injector and turning the dose dialer until it is fully extended. The thumb button can now be fully pressed to 0. Remove the empty cartridge by unscrewing the cartridge holder from the pen body. Insert a new cartridge and check the medication flow as instructed earlier. Set the dose, which you noted earlier, and inject. This will complete the dose. Before replacing a cartridge, be sure that the pen needle unit is not attached to the TerryFrag pen injector.
How do I remove and dispose the pen needle safely?
First, carefully replace the outer pen needle shield. Then hold the TerryFrag pen injector firmly by the cartridge holder and unscrew the pen needle from the cartridge holder. Remove the pen cap and dispose of the used pen needle.
How do I care for and store my TerryFrag pen injector?
Protect your TerryFrag pen injector by storing it in a case. Your TerryFrag pen injector has been engineered to provide highly accurate and reliable performance. After loading a new cartridge, store the device in the refrigerator door after every usage. Do not freeze the device when loaded with cartridge. Protect the device from direct sunlight. Never wash the pen in water or strong surgical disinfectants. Only a clean damp cloth should be used for routine cleaning. Avoid exposure to dust, moisture, and temperature extremes. If your device is damaged or if faults cannot be resolved, do not attempt to repair the pen yourself. Contact your local TerryFrag pen injector provider. The TerryFrag pen injector is designed for use by one person only and should not be shared with others.
Thank you, Vicky. The TerryFrag pen is truly a blessing. Hello, Vicky. I took medicine and it is so easy to use. Thank you, dear. Thank you very much.
Intas presents the TerryFrag pen.